Hello South Africa. It is Tuesday, April 26, 2022, and here is news in a minute. The family of the eThekwini Municipality employee who was shot in Verulam on Saturday, April 23, say they now live in fear. The 36-year-old female employee was a supervisor. She was allegedly shot and killed on Old Main Road in Ottawa, KZN, outside the Water and Sanitation, Roads and Stormwater Maintenance Depot. The deceased was found lying next to a water tanker at the scene. She was reportedly shot multiple times in the head, face and body and was declared dead at the scene by paramedics. 10 spent 9mm bullet casings were found near the body. In an interview with the SABC, a family member said they are afraid because they do not know what the motive behind the killing was. The deceased leaves behind 3 children. South African Municipal Workers Union, SAMU, Provincial Secretary, Famzile Dinga said they are hopeful that the eThekwini municipality will keep its promise by intervening on the matter. Dinga said the recent murder will now cause workers will now fear doing their work because they fear for their lives. eThekwini Municipality Mayor, Mxolisi Konda, and KZN Premier condemned the killing and urged anyone who might have information to come forward. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.